Hey, welcome to Intxolution Softwares. Today I like to show you Intxolution Software's new features which we added to the application, which makes you easily shortcuts that are used to repeatedly use the program or screen. To introduce new features, to go to navigation bar, and click on shortcut icon, and then select add shortcuts. There are two types in shortcuts. 1. Heading are not selected on shortcuts feature. 2. Detail are selected for programs or screen. Description must be defined in the case of heading. Program must be defined in the case of detail.